Power consumed by a resistor in AC circuit. Let us consider an AC source which provide alternately varying voltage across a resistor are connected in the circuit. The current varies sinusoidally like the applied voltage and has corresponding positive and negative values during each cycle. The sum of instantaneous current values over one complete cycle is 0 and the average current is 0, or the voltage and current are in phase when AC is connected to resistor. The fact that the average current is 0, however, does not mean that average power consumed by the resistor is 0. As you know, the Joule heating is given by I square R, where I is the current passing through the circuit. Thus, there is a Joule heating and the dissipation of electrical energy when AC current passes through a resistor. The instantaneous power dissipated in the resistor is P, which is equal to voltage into current. Then if dE is the elementary energy consumed when a current I passes through the circuit in which source is delivering a potential V for time dt. So dE is equal to VI dt. And in case of resistor, V equal to Vm sin omega t. Voltage and current are in phase. So current I equal to Im sin omega t into dt. So this is equal to Vm into Im sin square omega t into dt. Sin square omega t can be written as 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. Substituting this, we write dE is equal to Vm Im into 1 minus cos 2 omega t whole divided by 2 into dt. Then what is the total energy over a complete cycle of AC? Integration from 0 to t, where t is the time period of AC cycle, dE. That is integration from 0 to t Vm Im into 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 into dt. We take Vm Im by 2 out of the integration sign. Integration from 0 to t 1 minus cos 2 omega t into dt, which is integration from 0 to t dt minus integration from 0 to t cos 2 omega t dt. Over the full cycle of AC, integration of cos 2 omega t dt will be 0. Thus, the energy consumed by the resistor when AC passes through the circuit will be Vm Im by 2 into integration of dt, that is t. Then what may be the power consumed by the resistor when AC passes? That is equal to E by T, which is equal to Vm Im by 2, or that can be written as Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2, which is same as Vrms into IRMS. RMS values of voltage and current is Vrms and IRMS. The product of RMS values of voltage and current will be the power dissipated. Thank you.